Hello everyone and welcome back to the Tech Stack channel. So today we'll try to explore one more topic on the document understanding. So I got one question. I was busy at that time, so I was not concentrating on it. So now I got some time to creating this one. And what he asked me now, he can make a video understanding file type PDF, scan it, and as well as normal PDF. So what he is trying to say, one file is normal file and other file is the scanned images. So I need to separate taxonomy is that normally how we can do differentiate with the total loops of the all files. So whether it have the all files or might be the single individual files. So he want to run all the together at once. While in looping the document for normal works, but scanned images PDF is does not match. Still looking some more fields. How to we can classify this? So now we'll try to explore that. Before going to that, recently I got. I got recognition from the UiPath community side for our channel. So I got received some goodies from the UiPath community, and they recognized. Thanks for all. Giving these things. I don't know how can I explain this one. Okay, this is fine. Going forward, I will try to do some more videos on this UiPath, VBA, and Python as well. We'll try to cover AL, ML as well. I have some concepts, but only the thing is, I'm not getting that much time to concentrate and post the videos on this. So hope I will try to do some better videos. I mean, some more and more better videos. I'm improving on that side as well. Okay, now we'll back to the UiPath Studio and we'll check. So he's asking the thing is, let me go to input file. So he asking, I have the two normal files, and just assume that I have the normal files and the scanned PDF files. So let me open all of this together and we'll check that. So here again, I'm taking this Amazon PDF invoices and the normal PDF scanned images. So these are all as done with individual. So now how we can do with this both at the clubbed one time. Okay. So these are the images. This is a scanned images one and scanned images two. And this is Amazon invoice one and Amazon invoice two. In one of the video also, I told you how we can extract this particular piece of this data. When you go with normal extracted base extractor, not working, then we move to the regex base extractor and we extracted this bit. So here also applying the same concept. So nothing else. So let me close this all tabs and go back to the studio. So here, first of all, we need to go to taxonomy and we need to design that. So what are the input fields and what are the output fields are there? So every time if you're working with multiple invoices with the different things, so we have the multiple different fields. So right now I'm concentrating on the Amazon invoices and this scanned images. So when you check, this is the common and this is having three, I'm extracting only the 3 days. So just I have declared all the things here. Okay, that's fine. So this is the taxonomy manager, how we can initiate groups, document types, how we can do all the steps. It will create it here. So this is a hierarchy of this taxonomy. So let's go back to studio again, and here I use this for loop. This for loop just looping all the input files, whatever the available files, it will loop one by one. And next I use this digitization. So digitization, what it will do now, so whatever the PDF files, it's just converted to the, the data just converted to the document text, just converted to the text, which is able to read the data. So after this, I'm classifying that scope. So let me go to inside this manage learning. So when you go and check, so I have this invoices, Flipkart invoices, Amazon invoice, and scanned images. So I have segregate that. So if you got the thing related to dynamic QR or GST registration number, place of supply, place of delivery, if you found these keywords, then it's related to the Amazon invoices. If you have product order through tax, these are, this related to the Flipkart invoice. At the same time, we have the scanned images, we have the name, location, state, UiPath data, and testing these things. Uh, so these are the things which it's identified that is a scanned docs, scanned document or scanned documents. Anything is fine. So like this, I segregated this learning. So just it identify what type of document it's processing that. Okay, and after this, when you go to classifiers, so just enable these two things. If you not enable, you will not get the data. Okay. After this, I put one condition. Why I'm giving this if condition is basically I have this one image Amazon invoices are there, and another one is a scanned images. So we'll get to know completely when you go with scanned images, it has some specific name. When you go with this Amazon or whatever the other invoices, it having some specific name. Based on that, you can identify that. As of now, I'm going with Amazon is the one invoices, and scanned images is the another type of in images. So I have to segregated the two parts. So that's why I used here if condition. So when it is in string content Amazon, then it's related to the Amazon document, and I need to take this document type ID. So basically it's a document type ID, just I make it as document ID. So it's giving us invoice dot Amazon invoice dot a invoices. This is I have built that inside. Okay, and similar way, if it is not related to the Amazon, then it's moved to the scanned images and it will pick the things. Okay. After this, I use this regex based extractor. When I go normal, some fields are working fine and some fields are not working fine for the both documents. So that's why I choose this configure expression. So as usual, here configure expression. These are all are I have explained how we can do that. And when I go this scanned documents, so just I have did something here. So when I try to extract the name, location, and the state, when I extracted these things, these all getting together like this. Let me show you whether I have. So it's coming name some XYZ and location. It's coming bank. So when I go this, so it's not it's taking us this all as a together. Okay, so that's why I segregated here. So if this is starting with these things, I don't want to consider this location. So that's why I updated the first thing. I'm not able to zoom it. Let me copy the same thing and I will post in Notepad. So this is the one I have designed, and you can see I don't want this location and I don't want this name as well. I need only the semicolon between in location. I need that data in between. So that's fine. And next here, what I did now. So when I try to extracting this data, I have checked this. So sometimes it's getting this colon and sometimes getting semicolon. So that's why I use the both the things. If any of this combination, if it is fine, that so you need to pick that particular location. Okay, and similar way I have did for the state as well. Now if you want you can add this one. So as of now I not found, so if you want you can add that as well here and you can try from your end. So just click on that save and go to configure extractor. You need to enable this all the things. If you not enable, the data will not get. Okay, and after this present validation, as usual, it will just extracted data and we can check that whether data is working, getting the correct or not. Okay, now you get to know now how the hierarchy has been built and how we can segregate these documents and how we can pass this document ID, whether it is related to the normal invoice ID or might be the in might be this one what you called a scanned invoice ID. So we can segregate all the things all together. Everything is done. So just I give this path, and in this path, let me go to the path. So when you check here, I have the 4 images. We'll run one by one. I mean, we'll run this, and we can check that. So whether it is getting this fine or not. So you can see this. So this is a thing I got it. So that's why I'm getting here colon. So that's why I make sure this a different way. And you can see this is the already invoices Amazon done. It will get accuracy. There is no doubt. We can check all the has in the 100%. Let me click on that submit, and next also it will come might be the Amazon invoice or might be the scanned images. We don't know what it will come. We need to wait and check. So now this is all scanner, I mean Amazon invoices, and we can see the all are having the 100% accuracy. And now finally it will come to the scanned images, and you can observe that how the data is looking like this here. So when you check here, so it's got extracted 100%. Three results are there. Three are got extracted 100%, and you can see this sticky and stack in between space is there. So I captured the both the things with the help of register. And when you check here, this sometimes it's taking as colon and sometimes colon is taking as semicolon. So like that, so that's why we updated that regex as well. So just click on that submit, and the final one more scanned images is there. So just have a look for that as well. Mm. So this will take some time because invoices need to load, everything happens. So that's why it will take some time. And now we can see this Pentagon, Bangalore, and Karnataka, and we can see this accuracy has again the 100%. So this is a way how we can segregate and I want to add one more. The thing is, here the thing is, when you go with directly, the data will not come directly. So when you say the scanned images, something is different, and when you go with these invoices, is the structured, so which is having a lot of difference in between them. So you need to go with the first one document, try that whether it is working fine or not. If it is working fine, then do for the multiple things. So one set is completed. After that, you need to go to the second set, either whatever it may be, scanned or PDF, scan it or a normal PDF. Go with this another set and check that whether you are getting this 100% accuracy or not. At least if you go with the 97% of accuracy, then it's a good model. A good, you trained that. If it is 100%, this is very, very, very good. There is no doubt at all. Whatever the invoices you give that one, it will extract that. No issues with that. So this is a way how we can do and how we can segregate these things. How we can identify this document ID. A lot of the steps, things are there. So just explore these things. I hope you got my, I mean, I hope you understand Saraj Singh. Still, if you have anything doubts, let me know on the comment section. Not only you, if you have any doubts to anyone, so try to comment on this. Definitely I will do the video, or definitely I will replay that. Don't worry about that. It's happened last month, I checked, but I not get the time. But definitely video will be posted in this channel, so there is no doubt at all. So if you have any doubts, post a comment. I will try to reach. And at the same time, we have this one stack WhatsApp channel as well. Go and post their videos. Not only anyone can post their. I mean, what I'm saying to say means, if you post any doubts on that, someone will reply that. Not only me, anyone will come active in that group, and they will give the solutions for that. Try to utilize these things, explore that things. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more like it, make sure to hit that like button, share with your friends, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to turn off notifications so you never miss an upload.